Hello everyone and welcome to Linux command line tutorial series. This is tutorial number 19. In this video we will learn about sudo command. Sudo stands for super user do. Sudo is basically like a god mode, or you can say whenever you pass whenever you use sudo you give administrator rights to the command. So let's see it in action. Let's cd into root folder etc, and now as you can see I'm inside etc, and when we ls we see bunch of stuff right here. Let's make it easier and make it -1 so we have everything in a line. Clear it out. Let's try to create a directory right here, and we will say make directory zzz, and it says permission denied. So what do you do now? Well, you are the super user, so what you do is you type in sudo mkdir zzz, and when you hit enter it will ask you for password. Well, when you type on the keyboard you will not be able to see the password on the screen, but it's typing in the background. It's just a protection mechanism. So if you mess up in between, or you feel like the password is going wrong, you just start typing over. You don't need to backspace or anything. Just start typing over, it will figure it out itself. So for now I'll mess up the password intentionally and see how it looks. So what happens? It says sorry, try again. So I'll try again, and this time it's going to be correct, and bam. So let's see, did we get our directory? Yep, it's right there, zzz. So let me go ahead and try to remove it, and it says permission denied. So I'll do sudo rmdir zzz and ls again, and the folder is gone. Our directory is gone. Next thing, for me it's not asking me the password again, but there is a good chance that your shell is asking you password every time you use sudo. Well, you are sudo, so you know what you can do is, for a while you can say sudo -s. Now everything you do will be in sudo. So let's say mkdir zzz again. No asking for nothing. You don't need to pass in sudo again. And when we ls, we see the zzz thing, and let's remove. Same thing, no need for sudo or password or anything. And if you wish to exit this thing, so the difference is here it says root and here it's a hash. And if you wish to exit this mode, the god mode, what you do is you type exit, or you can also type sudo, or you can also type bye. And here's the difference: root and my name and hash, and here's a %sign. So I'll go back to my directory, which is home directory. That's it for this video. That's all you need to know about sudo command. If you guys have any questions, post them in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like. I'll see you guys next time.